Welcome to our crop report special monthly edition of our program. We have had just coming out the numbers, and we want to review those. I'm going to start with cotton and tell you some surprises here. And cotton has moved in a very positive way. I'm going to read from the USDA report. The U.S. 2016-17 cotton projections show higher production offset by higher exports, with beginning and ending stocks revised down from last month. The 1 million bale increase in the crop projection is attributable mainly to higher planted area, as indicated in the June 30th acreage report, combined with slightly more favorable assumptions about abandonment and yield based on current conditions. Domestic meal use is unchanged, but exports are projected sharply higher due to the larger U.S. supply and an expectation of continued tight foreign stocks. A projected range of 52 to 66 cents per pound for the marketing year. Average price received by producers is raised 5 cents on the lower end and reduced 1 cent on the upper end. The midpoint of 59 cents is raised 2 cents from last month. A combination of mostly lower production and significantly higher consumption is reducing this month's global cotton stock forecast for both 2015-16 and 2016-17. The world carryout for 2016-17 is decreased 1.8 million bales, owing to a sharp increase of 1.5 million bales in estimated 2015-2016 consumption. Recent strong demand for the government's reserve sales indicates that mills are consuming more cotton than previously estimated. A parallel increase is made in projected China consumption for 2016-17. World 2016-2017 production was reduced about 600,000 bales, despite the higher expected U.S. crop, mainly on reduced area expectations for Pakistan and India. Production is also raised for Australia, but is lowered for Greece and Uzbekistan. Small foreign crops are raising imports and reducing exports, especially for Pakistan. World 2016-2017 ending stocks are now projected at 91.3 million bales, a reduction of 9 million from the beginning levels. There was expectations that the production numbers in the U.S. Would be up. There was also some expectations that the world carryout would be reduced because of increased consumption. This exceeds what most people thought would be possible. Cotton for the report was up 29. Right now, cotton is up 201 points. It's trading at 69.76 with a high of 69.81. So a very big surprise here for the market and a strong reaction. Yesterday's 200-point rally is today being followed by another 200-point rally as we're testing the 70-cent level. Let's look at the numbers for grains. We've got some positive reaction in corn and soybeans from the report, and wheat. We're looking at the ending stocks in corn for old crop 2015-2016 of 1.7 billion bushels. The average guess was 1.784. For old crop soybean carryout, the expectation was for 354 million. It came out at 350 million. For wheat, the expectation was 982 million bushels. It came out at 981, so right on target. Then looking at the new crop ending stocks, we've got the corn. The number came out at 2.081 billion bushels. They thought it would be 2.189, so lower than thought. Soybeans was unchanged from was right on target for expectations, 290 million bushels. Then we've got wheat, close to expectations. It came out at 1.105 billion bushels. Expectations was for 1.101. Looking at production, corn production came out at 14.540 billion bushels. That is right on target with what expectations were. Soybeans came out at 3.880. I'm sorry. Stay with me just for a second. Yes. The soybeans were 3.880 billion bushels. That thought it would be 3.878. So pretty much on target for production based on expectations. The carryout was different from what most people had thought. Carryouts being a little smaller than they had thought. So the reaction here: soybeans before the report were up 16.5. Right now they're up 17.75. The corn was down 5 before this report came out, and right now December corn is up 5 at 360.5. So that's it. Those are the reports, and those are the reactions, positive in corn, soybeans, and cotton, especially so for cotton. So that's it for today. Thanks for joining us for this monthly crop report review, and we'll talk to you later. Thank you.